eModels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Festa here from eModels, and what have we got for you today? We got some more GodHand stuff today folks, starting with these. Yes, these are the GodHand All-Purpose Bending Pliers, SKU code GH-BND-125-B, All-Purpose Bending Pliers. Ultra-fine tip grips the objects firmly, and it is perfect for rolling tiny parts, which you're going to see in a moment. There are no groove processes or processing of taking place on the tips there, so you're not going to get all those annoying burrs on your bits and pieces that you're trying to bend, so they're not going to leave any marks. The edge is half a rounded shape, which is easy for looping or making edges depending on your direction of bending. I'm thinking making springs and things like that. You know, if you're doing a car build and you've got the kit plastic and it's got them horrible moulded springs, you could get rid of them and you could use these to make proper coilover shocks. Just saying. I'm going to try them for that at some point. And the ultra fine tip, even, I'll get my words out, provides an ideal pickup tool for all those tiny little pieces. This is why these appealed to me, because folks all know I've got hands like a goalkeeper. Picking up tiny bits of photo etch and things is a nightmare for me, and these have got a nice fine tip on them, so I'm gonna have these to hand when I'm doing parts like that, so that I can use these as a pickup tool. So I'm looking forward to trying that. They are made by Kobe steel, folks, so they are really, really, really going to be of good quality, so bear that in mind. Total length is 125 mil. They weigh 75 or 70 grams. They've got a coil spring in there, and the blade hardness is HRC 42 to 50. There you go. So we'll open these up, put the packaging just to one side, and we'll have a looky, Kens, and straight away I am taken by the machining on this. It's absolutely perfect. And look at those blades. Look at that. Oh, absolutely diamond. They really are. So let's have a look. Cocktail stick as a pickup tool. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm happy with that. And I make a lot of hinges for car doors and things like that for me models. So let's have a go and see how we get on with one of them. So I'll grab my cutters and we'll chop this down into a reasonable size. This is just a test piece, so I'm not actually making a proper door hinge. It's just me having a test for you. I'll just pop that out of the way. And what I would normally do is I would have a little hinge shape that I would create. So let's just see how we get on. So we can come round the blade like so. Straight away I'm seeing that working already. And that would go in the brass rod, and then we would bend this around. Normally I bend it around my pinky finger, but we don't need to do that now because we got these bad boys. So let's just have a looky, Kens, at how this works out for me. So I want to go that way because I want to use the back side of this as a curved edge. All the way around like that. I have used some of that. And already I'm beginning to see the makings of a door hinge. So I'll just line that up and then we'll bring that the opposite way. Like so. So I'll just line that up with that, and then I'll use my thumb just to bend that against that. And already that would be the makings or the beginnings of a bonnet hinge. So you'd have your bonnet on there, and then it would flip up over the bodywork, let the bonnet stick up, and then it would come back down like so. See what I mean? Easy peasy, wouldn't it? Just to make something as simple as that. Little tinsy wincy hinge. Eek, 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 eek. But also for me, I have a lot of delicate motorcycle components and things like that. So being able to just quickly at the bench have these on hand, I could just quickly go, yeah, I'll just grab that, little bit of photo etch, bit of super glue, bink, straight in place. So yeah, nice little pickup tool as well. Very happy with them. Again, being GodHand, they are really, really beautifully machined, beautifully finished, and would be a wonderful, wonderful addition to anyone's toolkit. I like the spring response on there. They fit in my hand beautifully. Yeah, and they feel quality, folks. You just pick them up and you look at them and you're like, yeah, they are a quality piece of toolage there, folks. Obviously, you don't want to be going in and bending up all kinds of heavy duty stuff with these, because these are your GodHands. You want to look after them, folks. The grip on these, if you're interested, is a vinyl chloride. There's a texture. If you can see, it looks a bit like a golf ball. You know that pitting you've got on a golf ball? Yeah, just like that. So it's like a grip tape, if anyone remembers grip tape from the early 80s. And yeah, I like them a lot. I really do. Look at that. And you can make a nice little hinge with it, that simple. And there's no marks. They're not going to leave any marks on anything, which is crucial for me, because there's nothing worse, especially with photo etch, if you're trying to bend something. And I normally use a pair of long nose pliers, but as you can see, they got tool marks all up them. So I won't be using them now. They've been resigned to that drawer of tools I no longer use, because these bad boys are not going to damage any of my photo etch. So grab some, folks. You know you want to. Absolutely beautifully made. They come in various sizes, so click the link in the description below this video. There's loads of info for GodHand stuff, but this will take you to their entire range over at eModels, and you'll be able to choose a set that suits you. They come in all different sizes, all different blade lengths and fineness, so find the set for you. These are the all-purpose bending pliers, 125-B, folks. I don't think you're going to be disappointed with these. Go and grab a set. I think any of you out there that do a lot of delicate work, especially anyone that does cars where, like me, you're doing all the brake lines, just think of all the brake lines that you can make using these. All them intricate little bends that you can get. I normally use a tiny little mandrel, whereas now I'll be able to shape them with these. But also coil springs. I'm going to have a go at doing springs sometime with them. I think it will work. So go and treat yourself, folks. Head over to eModels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs and all your GodHand needs. You know you want to, folks. Until the next video, stay safe, stay well. We'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. And you get to do a little plier walking. Look. Don't do that again, Carl.